How to use Park Mode. Turn the scooter on and ensure it is in the Ready to Ride stage to activate Park Mode. Long press the triangular P button on the right-hand switchgear of the handlebar for 3 seconds. A beep sound indicates Park Mode is activated, and you'll see the Park Mode icon on the display. Park Mode starts with Reverse Mode by default. To switch between forward and reverse during Park Mode, simply tap the Park button. Note that the scooter's speed is restricted to 3 km per hour in Park Mode for safety. To deactivate Park Mode, long press the triangular P button for 3 seconds or change the riding mode using the mode switch. This will return the scooter to the last used mode.